Hello class. My name's Alex Hernandez. Welcome to my cng201 Linux class projects video. I chose project number 2, which is using a cron daemon to execute scheduled commands to gather memory usage for my system. I am currently running Fedora 26, and I am recording this video with a GNOME shell extension called Easy Screencast, recommended by our teacher assistant Judge. Thank you, Judge, for helping me out. I was kind of worried about being able to record it, but everything seemed to work out. But let's get back to the project. The one I chose is the cron daemon using cron tab -e. I have a terminal window open, and basically what the cron d utility does is it performs, you can be able to perform scheduled tasks that run in the background on a scheduled date and time. How I went about it, and I'm sure there's probably a million ways to go about it, but I have a terminal window open, and let's take a look. I created a temp directory, and I compiled all my standard output to the memory.usage file. Here is a result of it. If you go through and we concat this file, I've been running this file pretty much all day, but every time you alter it, it restarts, and that's where you see these anomalies here, because I was changing it up. I was thinking about going fancier, but I figured I better keep it per the book, or per the project objectives, and not stray too far out of the parameters. But by utilizing this utility, you can go through and set up a whole different series. It's a powerful utility. You can set up schedule times for data backups. You can run different routines in the background. This particular utility, you have to be to run it, you have to be a sudo or have root privileges to create your own cron table. And to create your cron table, you use the sudo cron tab space -e. And here is an example of my cron script. It's the bin bash. The first part of the script is designated for the time constraints. This is the minutes, hours, days of the month, and here's the days of the week. For this particular assignment, I use the wildcard /5 for 5-minute increments in the minutes. I use the wildcard for hours, so it runs all hours for all the days of the month. Same with the wildcard. November is the month that we're in now, and for the days of the week, I was going to set it up for Monday, Wednesdays, or Fridays, which you can put the input in as 0 to 7, 0 being Sunday, 7 being Saturday, or I'm sorry, 0 being Monday, Sunday being 7, and you just use the comma to get across it. But here's the gist of the command that I used. I used echo, the timestamp. I appended it to a directory I created, memory, and a file memory.usage. I used to and appended that. That's for the standard errors, to send it to the directory dev /null. I piped that to use the free command, and then I piped all that output to use grep mem, and I appended it to the memory usage file, and then I sent all the standard errors to dev /null. It's a real simple set of commands. I did run into some trouble whenever I was trying to figure out what's the appropriate way to designate my time, but after a little bit of research I was able to get it all together. But let's get out of here. And you can see every time you alter it right here, cron tab, I didn't make any changes, but if you even make a change in the comment section, you'll end up getting it'll say changes made to the cron tab, and then it'll start the cron tab over and keep adding to your memory.usage file. That is about it. We can take a look at one more thing. Let's clear this up. If we go through and take a look at our tail, you can see, since I didn't alter it, but now it's following the standard format of the standard output of what the picture looks like in the project. Well, once again, thanks Judge for helping me out. I'm not running a VM. I'm actually running Fedora 26 on my laptop, and all you have to do is just download that Easy Screencast Genome shell extension and change the options in it for your system, and you should be good to go for your video. I hope it helps. Let me know what you think, and I hope your projects are going well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good night.